The Kaluli Classic 4-liter mini fridge is a convenient and lightweight portable cooler and warmer. It uses green EcoMax technology to be energy efficient and ultra quiet without the use of any chemicals or gases. Use it anywhere to keep items cool or warm, such as food, drinks, snacks, beauty products, and more. Featuring a self-locking magnetic door handle, removable shelf and door pocket, comfortable carry handle, and easy-to-use controls. Its stylish design is perfect anywhere in your home, office, or on the go. Plug it into the wall for continuous power, into your car's DC adapter when you're on the road, or use our exclusive USB power cable to plug into your power brick and take it with you wherever you need to be. Keep your essentials cool or warm, at home or on the go, with the versatile Kaluli Classic Thermoelectric Mini Fridge.
Introducing the Asado Salt Box, which includes 2 spill-free pourers. The box comes in a natural and sleek design that is 5 inches in diameter and 2.4 inches in height. Each compartment is 2 by 4 inches. The versatile box can be used to keep salt, herbs, and spices separated, but all in one place, making your space organized and mess-free. The Asado Salt Box is the perfect addition to your home or bar.
Making fresh pasta at home has never been easier. Using the power of the stand mixer, the KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter attachment set rolls sheets of pasta, perfect for a homemade lasagna. Or use the pasta cutters to turn sheets of dough into classic spaghetti noodles or hearty fettuccine. Fresh, authentic pasta, made in minutes.
The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.